Hello listeners, welcome in my new video. Today I am going to take an exclusive interview from my beloved brother. Actually, he have started his journey and already he did very well and continuously he have trying to take his regular practice. So let's know that how he have started his journey and how he have been taking his regular practice. So Jahid, welcome in this video.
Thank you very much. As you know that Shak Bhai is one of my senior brothers, and we spend a huge amount of time each other, and we try to make several types of videos together. So it's actually amazing. I feel very pleased to join your interview.
Okay, thank you, Jahid. Actually, Jahid, I have some basic questions to you. That why you think that you should learn spoken English?
Yeah, there are several types of reasons. Like I am studying in pharmacy department, so from my department I see some of my senior brothers, they went to another country like in abroad, and they get they try to build up their career in these types of country, and they get several types of other facility also. And here, if we stay in Bangladesh, then we see several types of multinational companies. They try to hire those people who are good at English speaking. This is the second thing. And if you know English speaking, then you can teach the students, you can join in a school, or you can earn several types of way.
Okay, so what types of difficulties you have to face to take your regular practice?
First of all, if I consider the first time when I started my English speaking practice, at that time I feel very shy and I couldn't able to complete a single sentence. So that time was very hard, and I did not get enough facility from my friend circles or from my family also. But I get some of my senior brothers like you, Imruz Bhai, and you two are actually the role model, or you can say the motivation of my English speaking journey. So from there I actually get the inspiration. And another thing is I face that is very difficult, that sometimes people try to troll me and people try to make me irritate, but I never give up and I try to continue my English speaking journey.
Already everyone will be noticed that what Jahid said over his speech, that sometimes whenever he has started his journey and still now he have taken his practice, and recently I have been watching that he is trying to make some videos and he's gonna be viral. And in last video that was made by him, and more than 2,500 reactions he got. So can you imagine that how important it is to take your regular practice? So you know, once upon a time when I first meet with Jahid, then I noticed that Jahid couldn't able to speak more than 1 or 2 sentences, but right now he is gonna be a fluent speaker. Why he is just trying to do like this? Because of, you know, that is practice regularly, it's really important. So I would like to ask another questions to Jahid, that Jahid, is there any opportunity, or do you want to say anything to the audience who would like to start their journey? What kinds of things they should do, or what kinds of steps they should overcome?
Okay, here I have one simple suggestion, that is, if you are studying in college level, or if you completed your school level, at that time it actually indicates that you have enough vocabulary, or you have enough sentence making structure knowledge to start the conversation. Without any hesitation, I think it's better to start your English speaking practice. For this reason, you just need a practice partner, and if you can manage this, then I think your 70% work will be done. And after that, what you have to do, just practice. You need to practice more and more. Without practicing English speaking, there is no other way, no other key to success.
Okay. Thank you very much, Jahid, for giving your valuable time to attend in this video. And already Jahid mentioned that what kinds of things people have to do, or people must have to do to take your regular practice. If anyone can fill up that kinds of criteria, then as like as Jahid and as like as me, that they will able to take the regular practice. And we strongly believe, Jahid also will be agreed with me, that we strongly believe that in a certain time later we will be a good speaker and we will reach our destination. Though still now we have been taking our practice. So peoples, the dear friends, try to start your journey and try to take your regular practice so that you can reach your destinations, you can be a good speaker. Because of the importance of speaking English, it should not be mentioned for again. Thank you very much. Hopefully everyone will start your journey as a good speaker. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you very much for inviting this interview, and I appreciate that those people who are watching our videos. Have a good luck.